tell me who your friends are. Point them out to me and show me who they are. Tell me their names. Go ahead. Who's that?
It's an
Ooh.
Omar.
Omar.
It's my crispy.
Carly, go down.
Gary.
Okay, go ahead. Tell me.
It's a spitter.
Who's that?
It is Samantha.
Where, Samantha?
It's Samantha right there.
Oh, that's Samantha? Okay. Who else?
Isaiah's gone.
Yeah, Isaiah's gone. He's not in your class this year, huh? Who's that?
It's Carolina.
Miss Carrizales. Who is that?
It's Allie.
Allie. Okay. Who's that?
It's Omar.
Omar. And who is that?
Brazier.
Brasia.
Kaya.
Kaya.
Hopi. Rayla. Tristan. And what's the name?
You don't know his name?
His name.
Well, good. You know all of their names, huh?
It's a Tamia.
Tamia.
And Weston.
And Weston's in there, huh?
That's like me.
Yeah. Good job.
And Sunday, Spurrier,